While the others keep on talking, we keep on rocking.
Alright, here we go. On Curry's new Miami. I've been told this is Darren Matthews' old one, but it's on loan. No, it's actually been purchased by Curry's, I've been told. We're all the way up.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Ah! Whoa! Whoa! No.
Squaring for you.
So bad, this is actually quite powerful. Whoa. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. We've been held.
Surfer.
What a nice view. Whoa! Oh my goodness! Oh my life! Oh! Being held for a nice little bit of time. Is that us? That was actually quite good.